Hi everyone, welcome back. Long time no see. I just brushed my hair out so I look crazy. But so I just finished exams and I have to do my roots before I go to Queenstown. As you can see, the roots have grown up quite a bit. It's like 2 to 3 centimeters. Usually I'd bleach it every month so it would be easier, but the last 2 months I've been pretty busy with exams. So, you know, haven't had time to do it, but yeah, today's goal is to bleach the roots. I'm just gonna get my stripe nice and clean to the scalp. Okay, we're in my kitchen. I'm in my bathroom, so now I just have to section my hair out, just so I know what part is the stripe. Okay, I need to, so this part I've over bleached by accident last time, so I'm gonna have to make the rest of this blonde, and then this is the part with the roots. You can see the roots are quite grown in, not that good look, so I'm just gonna bleach it. Okay, now this is a technique no one will tell you, but because I'm doing it by myself, I have to protect these roots, so I'm gonna use tape to section off this stripe. Because I've used other stuff in the past, but I just will not stick at it so hard, so this is just way easier. It's weird, but it works, okay? It works. It freaking works, alright? Do the same for the top. Masking tape. Weird, but it will work. Well, I hope it works because I have no other choice. Okay, next step is to get the bleach. So, today I'm gonna do 30 volume because I have to get my hair really light. So I'm gonna do processing twice on the roots and my bleach powder. Oh, sorry. 30 volume bleach powder. Just like that. Oh. There we go. The only hard part about this is because the roots have grown out so much is that like the part right near the root's gonna lift up faster than like the next 2 centimeters. So I'm gonna have to, it's gonna be tricky to do the second round, but I'll do my best. Aluminum foil. And I'll put this like that. I'll be back in 30 minutes. I'm just gonna watch something. I was thinking about it, like the last few months I've been considering putting like another stripe somewhere else, but then like I saw this video and I like had like the look of one stripe. But then I'm also tempted to like do my whole head in this color. But then I realized I'm not white. Not white people. I just want it to look natural even though it's not natural, you know what I mean? Here we go. I'll be back. Every time I do one of these bleaching sessions, I always remember that this thing literally says like poison on it. Like this is literal poison. Like they sell it and they're like, yeah, put poison on your head, girl. Just eat it. Just eat the poison, girl. Eat the poison. Okay, I don't know what it looks like. My head hurts. It's like someone's stabbing me, man. But beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Alright, it's been 35 minutes. Oh, yo. Oh, it's pretty good. Nice. We'll go wash it off. Oh god, I chose I took this out. Okay, not bad. It didn't go onto my other hair. Oh god, this is gonna hurt. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna go wash it off now. I got out of the shower. Oh, she a little yellow. She a little yellow. Some parts are wider, as you can see. So I'm gonna let this air dry, and then I'm gonna do the second round just on this little bit. Oh my god! Also my tape method, okay, kind of worked there. I just have to put it on that here. I don't know. Alright, it's round 2. Let's do it fast. Where's my scotch tape? Let's just take longer. Let's do round 2. I bleached the round 2, you know. Okay. And this tape was free because I took it from the architecture workshop. You know me, I love to steal. Wait, what? Kidding. You know me, I love to borrow. So roughly it's only yellow up to here. So I'm only gonna put bleach this part. Yes, it's about 1 finger length. I hope I don't mess this up, because if I do, well, I don't know. Alright, I start applying. Please don't back this up. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes. I did it a bit longer than I expected because I was helping my dad or something. But yeah, it's time to... Not gonna do this method ever again. Okay, I'm gonna wash it out. Okay, come out. Still it's a little yellow, but I think after toning, it's the right color. I think this is the right shade. Good enough. Next step is to put the permanent color on top, but I don't know if I want to put my head through that pain, but I must. I just have to do it. I just have to do it. Hold on. Okay, last step is the permanent color. This is to just make it nice. So the color is Ash Ultra Bond 101. Pretty sure I can still use it. It's been a while, but I can use it still. Just have to put it straight like so. Okay, I've just finished applying. I will leave it for 30 minutes and then I will be done. Finished. Got a little there, just gotta get rid of it. I'm gonna be in so much pain tomorrow. What am I doing?
I think it was my wedding dress video.
I'm gonna wash it off and then I'm gonna shampoo it in purple shampoo, leave it in for a bit, and then conditioner, and then I'm going to sleep. It's 10. Okay, so I have to wash it out now. It's been in here for about like 40 minutes. It seems to have like whitened, I think. So I just have to wash it out. And I'm going to use... I'm gonna shampoo it out. I'm gonna use this purple shampoo. And then I'm gonna do my conditioner next. Okay, I just washed it out. It looks like that. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Just gonna now apply my purple shampoo. And take some purple shampoo and apply it. Just gonna leave it for a while. I mean on the whole head, but yeah, I'm gonna shower. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, the purple shampoo's in my hair. Just put up in a bun, and then I'm just gonna leave it in for like 3 songs, and then I can wash it off. Purple shampoo time. Shucks it. Okay, this is upside down. Anyways, the next part is you're supposed to can't see, but okay, so it's been in my hair long enough. Actually, I'll leave it a bit longer, but you turn it to cold setting, like make it cold, and then by making it cold, okay, so this is a trick with purple shampoo. So in order for it to stay in your hair, you have to wash it up with cold water, because hot water opens the hair cuticle, and then cold water closes it. So if you wash with cold water, you're gonna seal in the purple dye. Hopefully, does not wash off all what you just worked hard on. Alright, it's time to wash it off on cold water so that the purple shampoo stays in your hair. Look at that, it's all purple. Okay, perfect. Oh, it's cold. Goddamn. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay. Anyways, next step. Get your hair conditioner minus coconut oil. For curls, you know, because I love to be curly. So I'm just gonna, so in order for the conditioner to stick, I'm just gonna rinse out the excess water, put it to 2 sections, and then I'm going to condition this part of my hair. Jesus Christ. Get out. Oh, that sound. Anyways, there's quite a bit of conditioner. I'm just gonna run it through. And I just put about that long. I don't like do the whole head of hair because I don't want a greasy scalp. Okay, I just put the conditioner in. Then I'm just gonna put it in the top knot and then wait for like 4 songs to play and then I can wash off my conditioner. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I've already washed my hair and conditioned it. It does look, that looks really nice. Like it looks like it's coming from my scalp. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you to you guys through my hair care routine so that my curls stay. Okay, so this is the projects I use. I use this hair oil. My main hair oil, those is Kiehl's infused concentrate. I need more. And then to keep the curls in, this one. My first step after the shower is to wring out all the excess water so it's not so bad. And then next is I finger detangle a little bit just so that it's not so tangled when I put my curl hair gel in. Alright, so the hair oil I use is this Kiehl's, like, oh shit. So the hair oil I use is this Kiehl's smoothing oil infused leave-in concentrate. It's for dry hair, and I just apply it in my hair quite generously. Did I run out? Damn it! Oh no, still got a bit. So I put that in my hair, and then I mix it with a bit of this Garnier oil. I use a lot of oil in my hair. So I scrunch the oil into my hair, just so that it coats the tips. I only put on like the bottom length of my hair. And then next is, I don't really use curl cream because, I don't know, I don't trust it. So I use this hard set gel. It's long lasting, so my curls stay in. And then I grab a bit. I'll grab like that much. Actually, maybe a bit more. Then I put it in my hair. And then I mix more oil in it. And then I'll put my hair into 2 big sections. Then I'll mix the gel in. I'll scrunch it into my hair. And as I scrunch, I try to like detangle the hair a bit so that the curls don't. Like, so it's easier to detangle it next time. Is it? Yeah, now I just scrunch so that the gel holds it a bit in place. And that's my hair done. That's the white streak. Yo, it looks pretty good. Very nice. Oh, damn it, I can't see it. Yeah, that's the white streak in my hair. Roots are nice and clean. There's no bleed through on the other hair. Anyways, explanation for the Scotch tape method. So in the past, I would use like cling wrap and like foil, and I would take it and like put it here and then try to pin it down so that it wouldn't move, and then I thought it would prevent the bleach from getting on this section. However, every time I did that method, it somehow would bleach onto the other side. That's because the cling wrap or aluminum foil would move. So I figured out to use the Scotch tape because it will like stick to your head and not move. And then by putting it there, it stops the bleach from getting on the other sections of hair. So for people that want to do the skunk stripe or like selective areas of bleaching, not like typical method, but if you're doing it on yourself, you have to. I'd say use the Scotch tape method. Don't use duct tape because that's too strong, but Scotch tape is like strong but weak enough that won't pull out your hair, and then you can use it to like section off the area and then bleach that area. So yeah, anyways, if you want to bleach your hair, good luck. Yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys.